We're Glen and Kelly Nelson with Realty One Group West, and welcome to 11822 Abington Street in Riverside, new on the market.
If you've always dreamed of having ample living space all on one level, this home is the ticket.
Let's go check it out. Nine-foot ceilings and extra tall doorways create an expansive feeling throughout. Enjoy the open concept floor plan with formal living and dining rooms, kitchen and family room created by arches and wide hallways. The dining room and kitchen are separated by a butler pantry and a large walk-in pantry. Enjoy the ease of cooking and baking in this kitchen, which offers lots of counter space and cabinets. The adjacent breakfast nook and family room features lots of windows to enjoy the view of the backyard, city lights, and mountains.
Outdoor living is relaxing with a covered patio and views of the mountains. The large yard offers lots of room to run and play, and if you want to build a pool, there's room for that too. This home is centrally located in Riverside, just off La Sierra and McAllister Parkway. Schools, parks, shopping, and the Metrolink station are all nearby.
With 4 spacious bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, there's plenty of room for the work-from-home professional, guests, and family. You'll love the vaulted ceilings in the master suite, and the room easily accommodates a king-size bed and large furniture. The master bathroom has a dual sink vanity, soaking tub, and separate shower. Plus, you'll never lack for storage in the walk-in closet.
If you're ready for a move-up home with large single-story living, this is the place. 11822 Abington Street. Call us today for your private tour.